Hello everybody, my name is Rubber Scar and welcome to another episode of Ratchet and Clank. Now this time, last video, we were doing these puzzles and we got to core 2 and Clank showed us his skills. Now, it's time to put all this, and we were stumped on the stupid puzzle, but now no longer will we be stumped. So, time we end this, oh wait, let me get these boxes. Knew it. Alright, there we go. That's all the boxes. Alright, now we will finally complete the stupid puzzle once and for all.
Attention, all warbots. A bug in your system settings has been discovered. You should never add flowers to your battery packs. You should add power. Please see your nearest engineer for a software upgrade. Engineers,
oh, I did it. Skills.
Skills have now been ordered by Chairman Drek.
Oh God! Oh God! That legitimately scared the heck out of me. I totally didn't even expect that. What the heck? I just see a bunch of bombs get thrown down. I'm like so scared out of my mind. That was straight up scary. Oh look, I'm back in the same room. Bridgebot! Why did I do that? See, it's so hard. I freaking can't even remember the controls to this game. Oh wait. Wait. I can't make him do a break. Wait, what? Oh, got it. Skills!
Attention, all warbots. Warbot Platoon 774 has successfully completed training and is ready for action. Congratulations. Now go out there and ruin someone's day.
Okay. Let's see, wait, what? Oh, okay. So, it was 2, which means I have to go back now. What did that even do? Oh! Oh! Come back. You are needed once again, my fellow friend. We need to somehow get into there. Or no, we don't. What am I thinking? I need you. Okay. You need to go. Alright, how am I? Alright. I gotta think this. Oh! Ooh. I need to think this one through. Does this thing need 2? Whoa, what do I
Attention,
do?
all warbots. Chairman Drek would like to thank you for your hard work. Ice cream sandwiches will be served in the cafeteria this afternoon from 1:10 to 1:15 p.m.
I must create a stable
also,
service
a
before I
friendly
can
reminder
activate
that
that
there is
power
a
receptor
mandatory
by the
meeting for all warbots from 1
Wait,
to
what?
1:30 on deck B.
I didn't even hear what
Any
you just
warbots not
said.
attending will be destroyed.
It's probably really important. Ooh, do I need a second Bridgebot? No!
There must be a gadget-bot around here somewhere.
I need a Bridgebot. What do I do? Oh, take this one. And then make it a power bot, and bam!
Work, Gadgetbot.
Skills.
How are you so smart?
I don't know.
Supposed to be simple soldiers. Who upgraded you?
Some cool guys upgraded me, that's who. Okay, now you're about to learn never to mess with me. Okay, so can I just get rid of you? I hate you.
Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot?
Oh. Wait, what?
Yeah, get it.
Ah!
You're not so tough now, tough guy.
I can't beat him. Oh.
Okay, you wanna fight? How about fighting a real warbot? You're not so tough now, tough guy. Wait until Victor sees that I've captured you. Then I'll be top henchman. Maybe he can spend all day stacking crates.
You realize I beat the guy. Oh.
Get him! Give him the old one turret. How about two warlocks? So tough now, tough guy. This isn't fair. I can't compete with this.
Not bad for a defect.
Alright. Apparently Clank is like really weak. You can only use like the power bots and stuff. Oh no. Yeah. That's not doing anything for me. Thing in this room? Yes there is. Some boxes and that thing. That's it, and then I guess it's time to go through the top one. Let us go. Oh, I need a mine. This is probably gonna be like a cutscene. I might skip it. Oh no. Oh, he's here. Can I kill him now?
There's certainly nothing you can do about this crate blocking your way into the security room. Yup, I'd just give up if I were you.
Get out of there! Let me kick your butt.
Perhaps that magnet can be of assistance.
What magnet? Oh. That magnet.
Nothing, thanks. It's coming out of my paycheck.
Oh.
Oh, I'm missing Lance and Janice. It's the season finale, too.
Alright, bro, I'm so quiet because I'm trying to concentrate and think this out. God dang it. No!
I'm gonna lose my job for this mess.
Oh, trust me, you won't lose your job, you'll lose your life. How should I say? No. It's true, he's gonna get destroyed by me. By yours truly. Don't kill me. No! Alright, this is gonna take a while. Obviously. No!
I hope Victor doesn't see me like this. I'd never hear the end of it.
I'm here, Gadgetbot, to rescue you. Oh, you know what? It doesn't matter.
I must have so many unread emails right now.
Alright, that's one.
What are you doing? Are you using that magnet? It is the property of Ratchet Industries. What you're doing is, well, rude. You see us coming over to your lair and taking over your magnets?
No, but kind of asked for it.
Getting too close. Computer, dial Chairman Drek.
Chairman Drek.
Greetings. You've reached the voicemail box of Chairman Alonzo Drake.
Ha!
I'm away from my coat right now, probably in a meeting or something. Perhaps securing the future for our race. Anywho, leave a message at the beep. Unless it's bad news. The next person who brings me bad news goes straight to the lava pit.
Hey, Mr. Chairman Drek. It's Zed, calling for, no reason. Everything's fine. I'm totally not cowering inside a shipping crate or anything. In fact, I was just calling to assure you that there is nothing to worry about. Security is, you know, secure. So, bye.
You just don't want to go to love thing, you freaking scaredy cat.
That crane requires multiple power bots. I must search this room.
Got it. That was easy. And here's the third one. Are we waiting for
I don't
something?
like the look of that magnet over there. Magnets, just can't trust them.
Oh, okay. That's not doing anything. Gosh darn it. Freaking annoying.
Coming out of my paycheck.
Nice. Wait, the magnet's green. What am I missing? Oh. I know what I'm missing.
I hope Victor doesn't see me like this. I'd never hear the end of it.
I gotta hit that button. Right there.
Hey, let me down!
No. Goodbye, sir.
Heed my warning, Warbot! You and that terminal are the property of Drek Industries. Don't you dare execute that command! You executed it! Well, don't even think about double-clicking on the security icon and bypassing our systems. You did it again! I don't believe this.
Come in, team. I have disengaged the facility's security grid.
Good work, pal. See you back at the factory tarmac.
Good job.
Nice work, little buddy.
You did well, Clank.
Yeah, wait, what are we talking about? I zoned out for a second.
Good job, Clank. And you're somehow magically back. So, good job.
All right, let's head inside and find Drek.
Alright. Okay, so you guys missed another freaking cutscene.
I hope you enjoy your tour.
I gotta like fix that. I think I know what to do, but
I've even arranged a demonstration
basically
of the good
we were just
doctor's
walking in this
latest
hallway
bomb.
and then we were using a motion sensor and we saw a bunch of motion detecting things, and then we started hearing things saying Zircon, Zircon, Zircon. So it's a bunch of Zircons attacking us. So Mr. Zircon, you go out there too.
Find some cover! Toasted.
Just told me to find some cover, and now you're like toasted because I beat them, and you're weak. Please don't be another cutscene.
It looks
All
like
right.
the main office is up there.
Where?
Oh my.
Oh.
This assembly line is the place of my creation. I am experiencing many conflicting feelings.
Oh yeah, this is like part 19, right? This might be the finale, actually. No, there's no way this is the finale. I feel like... Oh, we only have one more, and let's investigate the factory? This might actually be like the final one. And then there'll be like one more episode, which will be number 19. Right? No, that'll be number 20. Exactly 20 episodes. It'll end on number 20, if it does. And bam!
Hey, do me a favor and buy something, will you? I make it fully loaded.
That'd be like the perfect ever. There, okay, I'll upgrade some weapons. That's fully upgraded. Almost. Almost. Nice. Alright, that's cool. Nice, baby.
We have to find Drek before we teleport out of here.
Alright. So yeah, I feel like I could finish this in 2 more episodes. So. See the evil Zircon.
There's a fueling station behind that force field.
You go for the station. I'll cover you.
No, I don't want to do that. Can't go that way. Guess that only leads this way. This is Zircon, let's go. Oh, that hurt. Ow.
Think you can flank that turret?
Oh, get him! Oh, get out of there, Mr. Zircon! Oh god, I can't get shot, if I get shot, I'll die. Oh god. Mr. Zircon! Ready? Go.
Nice work. Let's move.
Oh god. That was way too close for comfort. Way too close. Alright, I'm better now.
Mr. Zircon
I'm gonna calm down. Mr. Zircon, no one cares, okay? You didn't even help me. Okay, let's go. Okay? Maybe then you'll find some people to kill. Oh, hog card! Alright. Options. Boop. Skadoopy. New Rhino card, baby. If it's been like everything else, it should be the next in the set. Oh. I think we're missing one. We'll go find it someday.
Watch yourself over here.
Ow. Oh, I can't afford to be hit anymore. I'm so scared right now. I could
We've
just
got
zircons. No! No! God dang it! No!
Watch yourself over here.
Whoa! That just came out of nowhere. No, you gotta be kidding me. What? Those things do like half damage to you.
We've got zircons.
Uh-huh. Don't worry, I'll be the sniper.
Find some cover.
Alright, you know what? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I died again? Most of the reason is because I kept hitting these things. I should use the group training.
We've got zircons. Not bad, Ratchet.
Did you enjoy my zircons? Don't worry, there are plenty more surprises ahead.
How do I like
Get
what?
ready.
Oh.
Mr. Zircon is born.
Oh, shut up.
Here we go.
You are a disease.
No! Oh!
Is the cure.
Oh, I died though! Gosh darn it.
Here we go.
Follow me, people, to the dance floor, to the dance floor.
Oh dear, more of them.
You are a disease, and Mr. Zircon is the cure.
Bruh, I hate these zircons, they're so annoying. Take this buzz blazer thing, whatever it is, and then take a warmonger. Boop! Boop! Oh, I died.
Here we go.
Alright, take this, people.
Oh dear, more of them.
Get roasted! Get roasted! Get roasted! Get roasted! Get roasted! Get roasted! He's throwing on the little gun. Oh, no! Why do I keep dying? That's like unfair.
Here we go.
You are not dead yet. Mr. Zircon intends to rectify this.
Alright.
Oh dear, more of them.
These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for.
Come on, you got this. Well, you know what? I got 16. One for each robot. Okay, 2 for each robot. Boop!
All clear over here.
Did we actually win this time? Alright, I guess we did. Any cards? Nope. Wait. Duplicates 4. God dang it, that's close. Oh! I somehow passed through that one.
You made it. Now use the trespasser to access the refueling station.
Alright, this trespasser. Knowing me, it's gonna take all of my time. Come on, Trey. These go right there. Okay. And these go right there. Bam! Skills!
Field deactivated.
I didn't take as long as you thought it would, but still took a little bit.
Okay, I refueled my jetpack.
Good. Let's secure the upper level and get into that office.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh,
As you
that's the
can
way we
see,
came.
we're at peak warbot supply. It's the perfect time to break into new markets around the galaxy.
What is this area? What? Oh. Oh. This is the same area. Is there anything in here again?
Follow me.
No. Alright. Well, and thank you all so much for watching this video. Alright. Okay, then now we're gonna go do our jetpack in the next video. Yeah. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye. Oh. Ah!